Hi, you're welcome back to Serene Art YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. On this channel, we teach basically how to design graphics with your smartphone. So in today's tutorial, this is what we'll be designing. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's jump into it quickly. Alright, so this is what we'll be using, basically a PNG format of the image on the background. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and import it. So I'll tap on import and pick the image straightforward. So I have the image already downloaded over here, and I'm just going to tap on a check mark right here. So I have the image over here. Now what we have to do now is to delete probably the text over here because we don't need it at the moment. Alright, so let's just bring our image down here a little bit. Okay, if you are not okay with the size, you can play with it and reduce the size as well depending on what you want. Now having placed it over there like that, the next thing to do is to insert a shape. Probably we'll be using a circle. Okay, so let's tap on a circle. Having selected a circle, let's just minimize the size of it a bit. Once we've done that, let's reduce the opacity to 0. Then after that, we go to stroke and make it all the way up to 40. Okay, we make it full. Right, once we make it full, we play around with the shape as well. Once we are done playing with the shape, let's come down to radius and increase it all the way to 25, and I think that will be all. That's all that we need. Okay, once we've gotten that, the next thing to do is just tap on a check mark right here. Okay, once we tap on a check mark, this is what we are going to have. Okay, this is what we are going to have. But before I go ahead to manipulate the background, let's first of all change the color of the main working area. So probably I'll be using this color for the work. Now having changed the color, now let's come back and select our shape that we inserted. The next thing to do to our shape is to probably reduce the opacity of the shape. Okay, so let's just look for opacity and play around with it, then we are good to go. It is as simple as that. Okay, I've got a lot of people asking me how to do a simple drop shadow effect like this one, so I decided to use this opportunity to show each and everyone that has been a fan of this YouTube channel how to do this without wasting any time. Okay, so basically this is how you can do this drop shadow effect. If the opacity is not good for you, you can always play around it until you get a perfect one. Okay, until you get a perfect one. And I'll leave a PLP file of this particular project in case you need it. You can just check the link in the description and you will download it successfully. Okay, so the password to the PLP file is Serene. Okay, the password to the PLP file is Serene. So just make sure you have access to it and open it successfully. So I think that will be all for this tutorial. If you want to add some text on your own, you can equally do that. Let's say you want to add a text like Serene, you can do that. Okay, however, adding a text is your own choice. Okay, it's all your own choice. So let's assume you want to add this text and change the color to black. That's all depend on you. Okay, it's all yours. If you want to change the font, you can equally do that. Like I said, it's all on you now. Okay, so let's assume this is a text that we want to put on it. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'm going to save this work, then we are done. So I'll choose Ultra as usual and I'll tap on save, then that's all. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bless up, and don't forget to give this video a like as it will help to grow the channel. Okay,
I'll let you take control. I'll let you in too close. So baby, just go ghost. Now baby, just go